my videos get 20,000 views while others get 2,000. This video is for those viewers, those 2,000 viewers that are always showing up and enjoying the content. You won't have any Etsy content here. It'll just be some fun bloopers that we had throughout the year. And if you're a regular, I'm sure that you like Tucker more than you like me. So there are plenty of Tucker takes throughout. Please know that I feel honored to be a part of your Etsy journey and that I am so honored that you've been a part of my YouTube journey. Please enjoy. Tucky. Comfortable, moderate a clothing of article, because this is a clothing of article. And it's absolutely attainable for you as also in their classroom, and they love to wear them some shirts. You've got social studies, Shawna. 3. Got my third one. Oh yeah. Stay. Stay. You're such a good boy. Yes, you are. You're such a good boy. I went ahead and
ordered.
Thanks. I went and if you're Hi guys, Simply Shawna here. Oh no, Shawna. Let's do it again. You're such a good boy. I love you. Stay. Stay. You're losing your turkey. Oh my gosh, you're so cute. But of course, not until after this tip from Tucker. Could you just look more happy, please? People are going to think you don't like this. But of course, not until after this tip from Tucker. Tucker, take it away. Hold on, baby. That's stinky breath. Okay. All right, are you ready? All right, ready, take? You ready? Look over here, look over here, look over here. Well, I have no treat. I'm sorry. That's tricky. Oh, wait. No, I messed up. Just look over this direction. Over here. Come on, over here. Look over here. Oh, there we go. Look over here. Oh, my goodness. I love you. Look over here. Come on. Look over here. Okay, stay right there. Oh, you're such a good boy. Oh my gosh, you're such a good boy. Do you have any idea how, okay. Do you have any idea how cute you are? Do you have any idea how cute you are? Oh my goodness.
And then a lot of times.
Are you my Prince Charming? Are you my Prince Charming, baby? Are you? Are you my Prince Charming? Baby! Hello, baby! When the tough gets going, when the going gets tough, the tough get going. Any shop that you've partnered with. And this. And don't go anywhere, because we are going to get to that third big benefit. And arguably, no.
Arguably.
And don't go anywhere, because we are going to get to the third big benefit. And one could argue.
I feel stupid. I'm like,
I know. I'm used to it at this point. Well, we are headed out for a fun day on the boat, so we'll see you in a bit.
I don't know why I just did that.
I'll make it all work.
Make sure I don't look like it's a Hitler salute, because
Okay.
I literally was like.
Did you want to come up here? And that is if you have been enjoying these monthly income reports, okay. If you have been enjoying these monthly income reports, really? Stay, tuck, tuck. I'm sorry, baby, stay. Stay. Stay, tuck, tuck. I love you. Stay. Okay. Let's see. All right. Sit. Sit. Oh, just go. Okay. No, wait. Sit. Sit. Stay. 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 If you, or if the. So let's do that right over here. Into my analytics. Let's jump into my analytics. Let's jump into my oh, blah, 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 blah. Yeah.
Ready? We're going to say Tucker, take it away. Ready?
You're going to say, Tucker, take it
hold
away. Let's practice while Aunt Shay's getting ready.
Tucker, take it away. Shawna!
Watch my fingers. Do it again.
Tucker, take it away. Tucker, take it away. Actually, you're not supposed to be doing it yet.
All right, we're going to put a lot of like, Tucker, take it away. Are you ready?
Tucker. Tucker, take it away.
Okay, perfect. Awesome, high five.
I can do more.
That was really cute.
Oh my goodness.
Shawna's screaming.
Yes, everybody! Yes, I hope you love it! It was. Tucker, sit. Sit. Oh, that's a good boy. Oh, that's a good boy. That's a good boy. Stay. Stay. Come here, Tucky. Q4. In December, I set something out toward the end of November that sold like wildfire. I hope you thought this one was fun, and if you enjoyed it, give it a big thumbs up so I know to go ahead and save the clips throughout the next year so I could do this maybe as a traditional video during December. Happy holidays, guys, and I'll see you next week.